Welcome to Just a Sliver. Here's a sliver of poached eggs. Contrary to popular belief, you do not need vinegar to poach an egg. Instead, simply boil your water and crack your eggs into a ramekin. Most ramekins are heat safe. You will be submerging a part of the ramekin in the boiling water, so make sure it's not metal because that will conduct the heat. Once you have your eggs cracked into the ramekin, turn off or remove the pot from the heat source to ensure that there are no bubbles. We want the boiling water still. As you can see, I'm gently lowering the egg and a part of the ramekin into the boiling water and just gently rolling it out. And it's been sitting there for a few seconds. The outside would have already coagulated, so you can lightly push the water around just a little bit. We are going to allow these eggs to sit in the water for up to 3 minutes. Gently pushing the water around every 30 seconds. Whilst these eggs are in the water, we can now start preparing our toast. Instead of sitting here watching these eggs coagulate over 3 minutes, I've sped it up. So when I'm pushing the water around, it looks much more aggressive than it actually is in real life. So just make sure you're not disturbing the eggs too much. Ensure that you have some paper towels set to the side to absorb any residual water. Gently remove the egg from the bottom. Sometimes it may stick. The way to avoid this is how slowly you pour the egg out of the ramekin to begin with. If it's nice and controlled, it won't have time to stick because it would have already coagulated whilst being suspended from the ramekin. Remove as much water as you can and then place onto the paper towel. The larger the slotted spoon, the better. As you can see, there's quite a bit of egg white surrounding this yolk. I'm actually surprised that the rest of it didn't drop off while I was suspending it over the water. Now it's time to plate up. I've fried off some sourdough and wilted down some spinach. And now we can gently remove the egg from the paper towel. Because I was filming and left the egg on the paper towel, a little bit of the egg white stuck to it. However, if you have your toast ready beforehand and you can just simply dry off the egg and then put it directly onto the toast, you won't have this problem. I also made some fresh hollandaise. You can check that out on Sliver and Bite on YouTube. A little bit of cracked pepper. Thanks for joining me for Just a Sliver Poached Eggs. Don't forget to check out the rest of Sliver and Bite TV on YouTube. See you soon.